So this is how to change Toyota Yaris. This is the code 83-32526 cabin filter. So very easy. This is the cover for this compartment on the passenger side, and it's only wedged with this two thing. Yeah, basically this is the hinges. So take this out and just put a pressure on this side and this side, and then pull out. Okay, and then you can see here, just press this. You can see that. So press this and open like that, and you can see they didn't put a cabin filter for that. They take it out already. So here I'm going to open this. Now it's open, and then you just slide here, slide like that. This just like that. See that, or this way? That way. This is the orientation. Put it like that. It will squeeze there, and then you can put this thing. Very easy. Show it there. Show. Now the cabin filter is in, but after that you need to, so again yeah, just press this, open like that, and you should read the thing there, and then like that. Easy, isn't it? So here you put this thing, make sure you just shove it back like that, and it's done. You just press and it's done. So that's how you put the cabin filter. Okay, you are now a DIY master of cabin filter. Thank you for watching, and this is I'm going to paint this as well. So Toyota Yaris. Okay, thank you for watching. What's going on?